Eating sweet treats with the Wendigo Twins.
I'm Kiwi Quasar.
And I'm Lola, and welcome to tonight's feast in the same outfits from our last video. Welcome back. So we have another unboxing today. We have a
it's not. It's a haul.
Oh, I'm sorry. We have a haul today. We have a haul today.
Yes.
From two different stores. The main one being a Dolls Kill. Got a package from Dolls Kill. So they dropped a couple weeks ago. Their Sugar THRILLZ Addicted to Cuteness line, and I just went ballistic. Like, I'm not kidding. I think I had every single thing in my cart.
She did. She showed me a screenshot.
I was like, I just want to see what it looks like in my cart. I just want to see the, and it was like freaking like 500. And I was like, whoa, ain't nobody got, I mean someone does, but I was like, I don't got money for that. Yeah, I was like, I had to slowly start weaning out things, and I finally narrowed it down to the things that I really wanted for Japan and just for like everyday fashion. But they killed it with that line. Like, everything was so cute, and I'm hoping the quality will be good and that everything fits.
It was moi cute.
Yeah, it was a moi cute. It was a moi cute line for sure.
Oh my god, it's
so vibrantly cute.
So much better than the pictures.
I don't even remember everything I got, so
crap, now I gotta go and get some stuff.
Bury my body inside this bag. Okay. So this is the Gummy Bear Lace Choker.
Oops, sorry.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's really cute. It's very kawaii. Sweet.
And then I also got this necklace, which reminded me of like little twin stars.
Yeah, it's
actually
really
the Child's Play chain necklace. It's got like this chunky pink chain with like little stars and shooting stars and moons, and it just reminded me of like little twin stars. It's so cute. Reminds me of like I used to have as a kid.
I know, your childhood. Second coming.
I got her
shades.
Sweetly Divine Jeweled. Oh, it does say Sunnies. I'm so proud of them.
Sunnies.
I'm gonna take them out because
take them out.
See them.
Show them.
They're all covered.
They're real beautiful. They're like really like sparkly. They're looking cute.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hi. Oh, that's nice. You can see like, what is that, hearts on it? Yeah, get that off. Oh, I like it. I like the gradients.
Yeah.
It's like darker in the bottom. That's really cute.
Super cute.
They got like little hearts in them, like little gemsies. So nice detail.
Yeah. I was almost gonna be like, cause we went to the beach today. I was gonna be like, can I just get into my box to get my new Sunnies? I would have been like, no, but she would have been like, no.
No, because I threatened her. I was like, if you open anything, you're gonna have to now ship your stuff to my house. I don't trust you. This one I'm really excited about. It's actually a lot, like, the pictures, they're more vibrant in person than they are in the picture. So now, like, I've seen them because I thought they looked a little bit more muted. I think probably the filter.
Like, opening this box, I'm like, oh damn, there.
I know. So now I'm like, because I'm on the fence. Because usually, like, I'm not a big pink person. That's why I kind of was hesitating. I love the line, but I was hesitating. But because the colors are so vibrant, it's actually a lot better. So I think I might, because there was a couple things in this particular print I was looking at. But I wasn't sure about, but I'm definitely gonna have to go back and get.
I'm so glad I ordered the sizes I did. So this one is the Comic Scene Cutie Mesh Top, and I actually ordered it in an extra large because they do tend to run a bit small based on some other things I've ordered in the past. And I'm really glad I did because, ladies and gentlemen, this is an extra large.
She usually wears a large on top.
Yeah, I usually wear a large or medium depending on the brand.
And I always wear like a one size up from her.
But like you can see, like this is it's gonna fit. Well, hopefully it's gonna fit. I'm assuming it's
glad because I was gonna get the 2, but now I think I have to go to a 3.
But yeah, these colors are so nice.
Yeah, they're really cute.
So over there.
So we'll put that over there.
And then I got
this is cute too. It makes me think of Bulma.
Oh yeah, so this one was the Blue-Eyed Bunny tank top. Let me get this guy open to see how it feels. And it's like a cotton tank top. But I'm glad because it's not screen printed on. It's actually like where it's printed on. Because sometimes the screen printing,
they'll like come off.
Yeah, it like peels off. Again, this is the, I think I got the extra. I got the extra large of the tank top.
Oh, the extra large.
Yeah, I'm glad I did because
the
large would not have fit. And it looks like it's going to be like a crop.
Yeah, it's a crop.
So the only thing I don't really care for is
Oh, the ruffled.
The ruffle, because I feel like these tend to roll.
Yeah.
On me, I guess maybe it's bigger. But it's still really cute. Like,
it's very cute. Like the colors are really pretty. Like in person,
even, like their tag is like just adorable.
It's adorable. So that's a win.
So that's good. Cute, adorable. And then I got the other tank top too.
Yeah, it looks like a full moon ice cream.
Yeah, like
big full moon with ice cream.
And this one here is the CREEPIN graphic tee.
So this is the one I was interested in. I think I'm gonna pass on this one because it's a crop top and I don't look good in those.
Yeah, and this one is actually the screen printed, which I don't really like, but hopefully it'll be like a good quality one. And it does, again, it has that sort of like ruffly thing. And I'm surprised it's not, because that one's like where it's printed on. This one is the screen printing, which again, we'll see how it holds up.
Yeah, so
it's cute. I like the like creepy
yeah,
look of it.
cute.
So, and it is like, again, it's like way more vibrant than it was on the website. So I'm really happy with that.
Yeah, so
yay. And this one, I'll do that one last because that's not a part of this collection. That was just a little add-on fun thing for me.
Just a little fun thing.
The next thing I got.
Oh yeah.
Forgot I got this. I was like, what should I get that's the size?
I actually really thought that was cute when you showed it. And I was like, that's totally Nuka style.
So dumb. Yeah. And this one's called the Punky Sticks. Oh, my hair's stuck. Punky Sticks Crossbody. And you can see it's like a Pocky box.
Yes, it's super cute.
Oh, this is so dumb. It does say sugar thrills on top, deadly flavored dessert, artificial flavors.
I love their bags specifically because of that. They're really good parody ones, and they always like do something really fun. Like if you look at it, like you really read it, like they're really like real fun. I want the Cheetos.
Oh, the Cheetos one.
Yeah, but it's like hose. And oh, you gotta fix that.
Yeah, I gotta fix that. So I realized from the website that it was gonna be small, so I definitely didn't buy this for the size. This is definitely gonna be like a phone lipstick situation, and that's pretty much it. It's got like the stupid nutrition facts, like you said. They do like stupid stuff on the bag.
Yeah, they really like go all the way with their parody
like
stuff.
Calories, so yummy. Total punk, 100%. Sarcasm, 100%. So, you know, contains a lot of cuteness, be advised. So that's the Pocky crossbody purse. And I don't know if this is a defect or if it's something I just have to fix.
I think you might have to just right out of the box. It's kind of like with like a something, like a sticking.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'll have to work that. We'll see if that's like a normal thing, because I'm like,
that's the only thing that's kind of like, what the heck?
I know, like fresh out of the box, and it's like, so we'll see if we can tweak that and fix that. Yeah. So the next thing we have, and this was one of the ones I was going back and forth on, because this was one that was actually a little more than I wanted to spend. And this
one, a 2X.
Yeah. This one is the Pixie Garden Faux Fur Jacket.
So, I'm glad she got it because I actually got it from FAUX Blood. Their line, it's like a mauve lavender, like it's like a lavender, like a mauve? It's like a purple, like a mauve, dusty lilac, it's like a dusty lilac purple, like a muted, it's not pastel, but anyways. I got it from FAUX Blood, and it's it's beautiful. I love that thing. I'm gonna wear it to Japan because it's funny, and I'm so glad that she's got something similar. Yeah, because I think I'm gonna wear it. I already got big hair. The only thing with these fuzzy jackets is like the hair's getting stuck. This is their. Oh, it has a hood. Yeah, no, I got it because I would not have gotten it if it didn't have a hood. I freaking love hoods. So it's just like this big Trix cereal colored freaking stupid fuzzy jacket. Hawaii. It's like a crop jacket. And again, this is the 2X. Yeah. Which, as you can see, it's not very big. So it's not very big. So it's gonna probably fit her the way it should, without being oversized. Yeah. And again, like it smells gross to me out. But that's just me. Oh, you have. I have a cold. I can't really. It's kind of got like that cheap smell, but it's super cute. It's okay. We'll just air it out. Show it in pictures and see. You gotta fluff it out too. Yeah, I gotta fluff them out. It's all like vacuum thin. It's all vacuum thin. All right, and the last thing I got was not from that collection, but it was on clearance, and I got it because I'm trying to do like a. We didn't want to do outfits in Japan, and then it started to turn into now we want to do outfits in Japan, and we're going to a Natano warehouse, and it's kind of like Blade Runner, cyber apocalyptic, whatever. Like,
so now I'm starting to get like, I'm trying to get like a Blade Runner-ish outfit together. And I thought this one on clearance was really cool. It's a hollow choker, and it says Y2K. And I just thought that was, and it was like, it's $3 on clearance. Like, it was dirt cheap. 2000 and late hologram choker. And that's, I love it. Yeah, the stuff was way cute. Like, it was all fucking vibrant. It was all way more vibrant in person than it was on the website, and I'm really happy with that. Super kawaii, moi moi, adorable. I'm gonna have to put some outfits together and do some pictures because we're gonna try and figure out like what we want to wear to Japan and how we're gonna work these in. So we'll get some outfits together.
So for me, I have to, because this girl is going all. So now I gotta do. So I was like, well,
we're like,
crap. We talked about it. We're not. And then look at this one coming with a cyberpunk outfit.
It's not my fault. It's Dolls Kill. It's Sugar Thrills. They did this to me. It's all we have from the Sugar Thrills collection. And then Kiwi.
I got something
from Dolls Kill too.
I did, but I only got one thing. So I got it for the Japan. So it goes along with our Japan thing. Oh, I know what we were talking about.
I don't remember what you got, so I'm excited.
Yeah. So I got something. I only got one thing because I like. Oh,
so, it's a fanny bag.
It's a fannies. I got a fannies. So it comes in this little thing. So I also am a really big fan of Tokidoki. I love Tokidoki. I have lots of stuff. So what I got, and I saw it, and I was like, oh dang, I gotta get that. This is real ridiculous. I was like, hooray! Because I was looking for, I needed a new fanny because like I said, we travel a lot. So I had a plain one that I was carrying, and then I kind of like, I sold it because I kind of was like, I'm over it. And then I saw it, and I needed a replacement, and I saw this one, and I was like, done. Oh my god, show it off.
That is so cute.
It's
What's
super
this,
cute.
What's it called?
Pool Party. It's Pool Party, but it was called like a sour. It's like sour something.
Or something. And it's got like a hollow detail here.
Yes.
And it's got like the lime green. Ooh, this is
lime
cool.
green.
It's like a
metal
airplane belt. Is that what you call this? I don't know.
The buckles.
Airplane buckle.
Yes.
Airplane buckle.
So I got it because it was like, it's way more ridiculous than they normally do, because like the hollow is like really on point. Like it's on the front. I love it because I'm a big hollow fan. I love hollow more,
and I'm really getting into it now.
No, I liked it more than glitter. I've always been more of a hollow, but like like I said, I'm very picky, so I didn't really wear it because back then it didn't really have that much.
Yeah.
And I wasn't into the Raven stuff, so I didn't go for that. But now that it's on everything, so so this one I really like because one is green's my favorite color, and I love, like, it's lime green, so I was like done. The buckle was like on point, like the hollow stuff, like it's just ridiculous. It's gonna be my great
inside print.
Yes, it's like usually it's a little bit more, so it's like a cute pink, but it's still got a print. And what I do like about it is their zippers always have really cute little charms, so, like for their pulleys. And because like I'm gonna wear this to Japan, and it's nice because it's like, I like to travel light, so I can throw my stuff in there. And
this will be really
keep it nice and close.
And what I love about the Tokidoki, because I used to collect a lot of Tokidoki purses, and then I stopped doing it just because just too many. I have too many purses, so I had to stop. But what I love about the Tokidoki purses is there's so much going on in the prints that you always find something new. Like you're looking at your purse one day and you're like, oh my gosh, look at this little guy, like I never noticed him before. So there's always just like all these scenes going on, like what's happening up here. This little like tiki drink guy is like going down a water slide. Like they always just have like cute stuff that you find, and it's just like,
and it's like always like fresh
today, you know, keeps it fresh, all fresh. So that's super cute. I love Tokidoki.
Gosh. So it goes along with the shoes, and I'm super excited. So I didn't get this from Dolls Kill. It's actually, but I did see it on Dolls Kills, but they didn't have it in my size.
They always sell out of the sizes.
So fast.
Irregular choice.
Beautiful. So I haven't bought from them in a very long time, and from when I had bought them regularly before, they were always really cool, different, but now that I kind of came back to it, like they're ridiculous. They've upped their game. They're like Funkos. Like their progression is amazing. Like they've gotten more ridiculous. Not only are they have like like there was photo booths you can put Insta pictures into. And all, I mean, that's not what I have, but you can't, like they've gotten really creative.
I actually still want those. They were like little cowboy boots and you could put pictures in them. So like I'm like, that's just dumb and I want them.
Yeah, they were
just dumb.
And like some of them like they light up, some of them make noises, like there's like the Christmas ones, like, snow globes, like figures. They got
they're
really
just ridiculous.
Yeah, they're ridiculous, intricate, they're beautiful, expensive. They're in UK. Very, very expensive. I love this. If you want to go ahead and crack this baby open. So this is the Jurassic. I haven't opened it. I don't know. I tried not to really like read too much of the details. I saw it and I was like, this is perfect for Japan. I freaking need these.
Tissue paper.
Cute tissue paper.
Right off the bat. Alright. Close your eyes. I'm going to hand them to you. Well, I'll hand you one.
Hand me one. Hand me both.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I'm super excited. It's going to be real. You guys are seeing it before I am, guys.
Funny. Oh my
Oh my god, these are better in person. Oh, these are ridiculous.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is great. Oh my god, look. It's got like the little dinosaur. He's like coming out. It's like 3D. That's great. Oh my god, he is like really pretty. He's like, what is it, sequins?
Sequin?
He's
but like not the kind that like gets off. It's like on there. It's like on there
really good. That's what I really like about him is like, yeah, they're expensive, but their quality is top notch. Like they're not gonna fall apart on you. Like when I say they're expensive, this cost $252.60. But worth it. So this is actually a lot prettier in person, and the reason being is because I didn't realize like all the different fabrics and things that they use. Like this is like, you can tell like it's all like sequency, shiny, metallic, like the fires, like different layers, so they're like really like high quality. Like it's like 3-dimensional. It's like coming out. This is Godzilla in Japan. So I'm gonna wear these in Japan with my stupid fanny.
Like wrestler? Is that
they
what that
do,
looks like?
yes!
Yeah.
It does. They look like wrestler boots because they're tall. Like I love high tops. Like I wear like a lot of that kind of stuff. I like wearing my sneaker wedgies and stuff. Now what's great about this, if I they light up. Oh my god. So these are my Japan shoes, or all the time they're just gonna be all the time shoes probably. So these, I'm really pleased with.
Those are super cute.
Well worth the
I love
price.
like
Because of the stitching and the fact that they're 3-dimensional, multi-layered is actually really impressive for me. Because like I said, I haven't bought sneakers from them before, so I wasn't really sure. The fact that like if you look really closely, you can see like they layer it, so it's like it pops out. It's 3-dimensional. It's like really well made. But yeah, so this is my contribution
for Japan.
For now. So yeah, guys.
Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed
our
video unboxing.
So anyways,
and then we will probably put together a lookbook for Japan. I don't know when we're gonna get to it, but we're gonna try and get to it soon because we got some outfits we want to make together.
Yeah.
And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.